All right, yo, here we go. All right, so I'm bullish right now just because 4 hour. Um, we inversed here. Wait, holy shit! I'm gonna just analyze this shit. Pause. Oh no, it's because it's Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq. We broke structure already on Nasdaq on the 4 hour. Um, right here. Fucking. Oh my god. Okay. Point is, broke structure on this low. Change of order flow on the 4 hour on Nasdaq. We formed 4 hour gaps. So I would like to see, honestly, just a retracement into this gap here, and then maybe a push out. Even this one's all right. Same thing on ES. Right now, we inverse this 4 hour, so we're bearish on that time frame as well. So what I'm thinking is, right now I'm long because I would want to see some sort of retracement. So what I'm thinking is like either the two scenarios I see happening is like right now we're at 1 hour lows, right? We're bearish on the 1 hour as well on both indexes. On both indexes, we're below these 1 hour. We get a rotation here and take out this hourly high and rotate to maybe this gap and maybe form some sort of SMT between these highs here. Have one of the indexes rotate in, the other one not. Um, so that's what I'm saying. So right now we rotate right now, like as soon as market opens, we're rotating to this, and then we take a short to these lows, or we take longs into this 4 hour and 1 hour highs if it doesn't immediately rip up right now. Like if right now if we open and we're seeing good confluences to go long, I'll long to this hourly high and this 1 hour, 4 hour gap zone. But if we immediately push up, and then I'll be looking to catch a rotation down to these lows, these 4 hour lows, and yeah, pretty much these are like the main lows that I think need to get taken out, and then I'll extend. It's a little further away, so I don't even know if I'll target these. I'll probably just target this if we do rotate here. I'll just target this main low on here though on Nasdaq. I would target these two because these are kind of stacked. So yeah, we're kind of just gonna wait to see what happens. Right now I'm bullish because I want the market to go up right now. Ideally for my main buyers, like overall bearish bias, but right now I'm bullish because I think, in my opinion, market's going to come up or needs to come up to manipulate to go lower. So right now I'm playing off this 1 hour low, get a little change of order flow, which we're already getting on the 5 minute. We already got it on the 5 minute on ES. That's what I'm talking about. Right now we don't have 50 minute, but we're about to enter this 45, and this 30 minute. About to enter this 45 minute. We're already feeling this 30 minute here, but I wanted to push up to this 30 minute just because it's near equilibrium. So yeah, that's kind of the main idea right now. Same thing on this. We're pushing into this 30 minute right now. I would like to see it push into this further deeper one, equilibrium as well. So, but like I said, if we do just rip up right now and take out these draws and like SMT off these, that's cool by me. But I'm also going to take a long here up to these. Ideally, I'd want to take one up to this hourly gap, so probably take partials here and target this high. That's the play at Chino right now. That's what I'm thinking. Looks like we're going to be taking on ES too because Nasdaq's not moving as buttery. So we'll see what happens on market open. We still got 9 minutes, so we'll see what happens. All right, we got 2 minutes till market open right now. I don't mind the way this is looking either. Yeah, so this gap doesn't seem like it wants to slow down right now. Might actually inverse this before we even get to before market even opens, which would be awesome. It'd push into my bullish bias for now. Got 1 minute till market open. All right, market is open. Pushing into that 30 minutes right now. As you can see, we inverse the 30 minute on um on a Nasdaq. Or yeah, sorry. So this is fire. We're rotating back down right now. We do have some 5 minute gaps right here. See how this looks here in a little bit. Obviously, we're in this 30 minute right now versus first 30 minute. I don't mind this the way this is looking though right now. A little retracement. Nice. It's too early right now though. Seems to be entering anything. At least 840, dog. It's a good retracement though. Equilibrium in this 5 minute gap right now. We are inverse the 30 minute. We have a nice little 30 minute retracement. We don't need 15 minute gaps. No, we accounted for anything yesterday. Sorry, I thought the 15 minutes already in equilibrium. 15 minute already changed order flow to bullish right here. These gaps, these 15 minute gaps don't matter because we already swept out. We already pushed back out, so they're validated. Don't mind what I'm seeing right now, to be honest. Push into the second 5 minute. Do I mind this? No, not really. Kind of get the SMT, maybe possibly forming. Definitely equilibrium right now for sure. This gap technically we got to push out to here right now. So like this 45 minutes getting filled right now, right? The 30-minute got inverted, so we're already bullish on 30-minute. We're bullish on 15. So the 45-minute for the gap to technically get filled, we got to push out to this low here. So I'm about to play this patiently. We already have a 5-minute SMT though, so it's not the worst thing in the world. Man, it's kind of hard. It's kind of early to be entering anything right now, to be honest. But ideally, this would be the entry right now. I want to wait a little longer though. Or I want to do it there. I'll probably do it like here. It's 5-minute gap. It's a 1-to-1 there. Let's see. Although I respect this 5-minute gap right now, we do have that 5-minute SMT already. Once I mean, I want 840 to come along at least. I feel like 835 is kind of early to be jumping into anything. But I do still think this low needs to get taken out, so I kind of want to be patient enough to wait out here. Hard for the 5-minute there. If they both break 1 minute though, I'll be 1 minute to here. Let me pull up a yes on my phone. Stop taking that out yet. We're reversing this 5-minute right now. Not gonna play to wait. Okay, we're still pushing down. Okay, we're pushing past this low as well. One 5-minute SMT. So it's gonna get taken out. It's gotta get taken out. We're receiving this 15-minute low. First, not it. First year, but we did first year. It's 45 things. You can take it out. That's 10 seconds on this. Okay, fine. It's bearish. I'm still thinking longs, believe it or not. We reached up these 5 minutes right now. It's a hard one here. I think I'm gonna buy in here. It's just that we reswept. Because we're already versed on one in here. I'm kidding, patient. I'm bearish. Waiting. I'll keep waiting here. Just keep waiting. Gotta find a gap here. There's no finding a gap here. Okay, you know what? Let's see. Get rid of this for now. We reset these 5 minutes. We never broke them. I don't know. I like that. I can't lie to you. Once we take out these lows here, I'm looking for literally a break instruction to the upside on the 1 minute. Is that crazy work? Maybe, but kind of crazy work. Yeah, but I think it's a play. Because we reset. As long like we haven't broke here. This one makes me so confident so far. Just haven't broke here. Still maintaining this, so yeah. Yep. Call me crazy, but it's the trade I want. Okay, we just took out those 45-minute lows right now. So that this gap is filled technically. This 30-minute gap is filled. This 45-minute gap is filled. Oh wait, shit, we'll keep it on here. I mean on the SR. This 45-minute gap is filled already. Break structure did. Okay, hold up. Gotta keep being patient here. I think it should. Gotta keep waiting. We just fill these. Yeah, just fill this 30-minute. So this 30-minute and this 45-minute is filled. Okay, now that we broke past this, if we break past this low here, yeah, I'm gonna want to see 5-minute chain more flow. Okay. Okay, so generally, taking out hourly lows first. This is good for us though because now there's 45 minutes filled, the 30 minutes filled. The 15-minute has no gaps, and we're about to sweep out these 15. Yeah, look, we're sweeping out these 15-minute lows right now, and we might even sweep out these 5-minute on EQ. Okay, here we go. I'm longing this if we inverse this here. If we miss this gap here, let me check on ES. Yeah, if this inverses, I'm long in here. It's a good position here. All right, just bought in. All right, here's what I did. Because we swept 5 minute, we swept 15 minute. We're sweeping 30 minute, and we already filled this 30 minute gap, so that's filled. We filled the 45 minute gap. Sweeping the hourly still, so that's why I did that. I'm still really bullish. I think this, yeah, it's just gonna hit. Good trade. It's a good trade. It's a good smack. Ideally, if I have more leverage, I'd target these highs here, but I've only got one contract open, so I'm just gonna target a 1-to-1. Okay, let me see. 5 minutes. NQ is definitely the more bullish index. That's why I took it on NQ. Because ES broke, but the thing is, we also came down to sweep, so that's mainly why there's an index that didn't inverse the 45. NQ didn't inverse, but it filled both, and we swept every single low. We swept 30 minute, we swept the 15 minute, we swept the 5 minute. Yeah, this is super bearish, bullish. I mean, this should be good. Sweep on the hourly sweep as well. 4 hour. Go. This is looking good right now. Although we did break on the 5 minute, the 15 minute also broke. 30 minute sweeping and the 45 minute broke. 1 hour sweeping. I like the way this is looking now. I do. I love how NQ swept everything. Like how although yes, it's looking a little more bearish. NQ did a really good job at like it swept. It swept on the 5 minute. It swept on the 15. It swept on the 30 minute. Um, it filled this 30 minute gap. Filled the 30 minutes because we already pushed out past the lows. Filled the 45 minute as well. Hourly sweeping at the moment. So like I love the fact that shit looks like that. So yeah, I'm loving this trade right now. Grab some water. Oh yeah, and then the entry. I'll show you guys the entry real quick. Entry was off the woman inverse right here. Yes, woman inverse as well. So that's that. Oh yeah. I'm loving this right now. It's looking really good. He has to lock the fuck in and we'll start ripping her. Like I said, NQ is definitely more bullish. More bullish. What the fuck do you call it? Index. So low key, just need ES to lock in, start moving up, and we'll be chilling here. I don't love how the index is broke on the hourly on both. I don't love that. But like I said, in Q we swept and technically new lows here, so we still haven't broken. So still not terribly hating this at the moment. Yeah, 15 of the 5 minutes improved. None of it has broke. So I'm feeling good about this trade still. I think NQ or ES just needs to lock the fuck in. It will be big time chilling. Let's do that. Let's see what happens here. But I still like this trade. Like I always say, I like the trade. I don't like how bold and bearish these candles. This candle's looking right now. Holy fucking! Oh boy. Donald Trump might come over and say some bullshit. Just need yes to lock the fuck in. I'm telling you, once this bitch locks in, we'll be big time shit. I didn't even fucking notice my mic was muted. No way. Anyways, moving stops here. I already hit on my other account. I already hit my full take profit, which was a 1-to-1. This is the fucking funded, so I'm just letting this shit run up to here, which is what my trade would have been on the other account if I had enough contracts open. If I had enough leverage for that. Check out this hourly high, but I think I can push higher, so I'm gonna let that shit run. Because on the 4-hour, broke structure retracement low key needs it to come up to here. Same thing here, 4 hour. If it does want to push lower, you know what I mean? So, yeah. Anyway, just gonna let the shit run. Good trade today. We're up. I think we're already up a good amount.
You on?
1 second, Doug.
Okay.
Decent amount, maybe. Yeah, I took another trade a couple days ago. So that's fine. Anyway. Yeah, we'll just let the shit run right now. But yeah, that's it for today. Yeah, so anyway, those accounts, man, are just like for the evals. I have a live account now because I feel like whenever I have actual money, I trade a lot better. Because it's just monopoly money. So I have an actual account where I'm doing smaller leverage trades, and this is my main profit. This is the profit. These profit ones, I'm literally just fucking trading whenever I see a good opportunity. Doesn't matter if it's like in the morning or not. The live one's only in the morning. It's like my main account. So anyway, that's it for today. Let's end this shit off and yeah, get started with my day.